Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is July 6, 2026. And we're back from a holiday weekend. It was the 250th anniversary of the US. So it was a special 4th of July for us. But we're back. We're back to testing, or actually, we're finalizing our next release for the next upgrade this week, and we'll make sure to let you guys know when the release is ready. We'll be testing on our local DevNet, and then eventually we'll announce when we're ready to go to testnet and then mainnet. But with that, let's go ahead and start on what we're up to this week. Caleb.
I'm going to be doing some testing on the new release and just rechecking all the changes to make sure that they're good, and then really just a lot of DevOps stuff. Gonna rotate in some new keys and all that stuff, manage storage. So it'll be a lot of housekeeping going on this week.
Right. Thank you, Dan.
I need to respond to Akram's comment on my review for the 30% validator limit on layer, and then working on Open Zeppelin monitor migrations.
Right, so Open Zeppelin closed down, so we can no longer use them for monitors. So we're just transitioning that into in-house, basically. And we have other monitors, but those were, I remember we have those specifically for some things, and then we have others. And I do think that there are some overlaps already, but thanks, Dan.
Open Zeppelin is shutting down their defenders, to be clear.
Yes, the defenders.
Not necessarily all of Open Zeppelin. Yeah.
Yes.
Open source, the monitors.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for that clarification. Yes. No, I'm not trying to start any rumors. So Open Zeppelin is still fine. It's just their defenders, their monitoring systems. Also, for the 30%, I just want to make it clear for the validators and reporters, we're adding these checks straight on the chain so that people don't accidentally go over those limits, but they're just meant as guardrails for good actors. Obviously, if you have two different private keys, you could potentially reach that, but we are trying to at least keep the good actors within those limits. So anyway, I just want to point that out because there's no real way to go about completely blocking anybody from using different keys and trying to attain this. Obviously, we do have a very strong community. I like to think that if anything were to happen, we could ultimately, and hopefully we never have to fork, but yeah, this is not something that's going to fix it forever, and it's not, or that it's not going to block every attempt of doing this, but it is our attempt at least to keep those good actors okay, or not passing those thresholds accidentally. All right, with that, Akram.
I'm trying to do some cleaning on the bridge remote signer. I need to fix some readmes, add some templates about issues and PRs and that sort of thing. So I'm cleaning that up today. I had some other stuff that I was working on last time, so I'm gonna be working on that later.
All right, thanks, Akram. Tim?
Yeah, I am playing with some implementations for user integrations.
All right, we'll see you guys next week.
That's on the EVM side, and then also revisiting the relayer to see if there's some optimizations to be made, using fewer RPC calls, particularly.
All right. Brian?
Yeah, still working on the updating the Explorer. There's some things that were built up over time that I'm also adding to the Explorer to get it updated. But yeah, the feed site, the hub site is updated. Feed site, I'm still updating some feeds, but that's pretty much done. And then yeah, the Explorer will be the last touch.
Right. And then Tim, the repo or the actual commits for the adapter for Morpho and the data bank, is that still work in progress? Are we meeting about it?
Yeah, we should.
Okay.
It is a work in progress.
All right.
Yeah.
Do you want to do 1 p.m. or?
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right. Right. Did we get any questions? We did get some pings from Crossy about pending PRs on GitHub. And Crossy, I believe everybody contacted you. Make sure that you have some comments on the PRs, and Arkham and Spuddy have been active DMing you. So if you have any other questions, let us know, but we're working through it. And other than that, I don't think we
Yeah,
got
no questions other than that.
So with that, we'll see you guys next week.